Hi, it's Paul from Success Unlimited, and Simon, I just want to thank you so much for what an amazing morning. I've learned so much, I've got so much that I can take away from this, and I can really reinvent my email marketing, so thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Cheers, mate.
Hi, I'm Emma Wainman-Sale, Marketing Manager at GCL Direct. We do telemarketing on a Panama basis. I've attended the email marketing course today, which I found a brilliant course. I'd say the main thing that I've learned today is how to segment your audience and how to send different forms of email to the audience in order to get the best results, and also how to analyse those results to the best potential. So thank you very much to our course.
Hi, my name's Rowbotham from Swift Personel. The course was very enjoyable in a nice, relaxed atmosphere. The most important thing that we're going to take away today is manipulating the data that we've already got on our system and using it to do better e-marketing.
Hello, my name's Milichamp. I work for the Family Care Trust charity. Thank you for the fantastic seminar. I've learnt lots of information, very good for us. I've learnt how to extract our contact details from Outlook with support from Simon, and now we can create a great database which we can use for our email marketing. So fantastic support, very good, thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Jeremy from Sign-A-Rama. It's been an absolutely fabulous workshop today, and we can't wait to start doing our email marketing.
John Lawson, BCS Group, part of Barhale PLC. I've attended the email marketing course today, found the course very clear and concise. We carry out email marketing as a business, but felt today has really sort of like added value in terms of how we will progress our email marketing going forward.
Hi, my name's Susan Smith from RJB Limited. I've attended today's workshop with very basic skills of email marketing. I've learnt lots about building databases, subject lines, formatting, content of email. Been very useful.